guys, welcome to Decor Lab. Are you looking for different ways to transform the room without spending hours for the install? Then I got a solution for you, Link-O-Loons. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Link-O-Loon display that will help you to transform the space. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with our balloons. I know you guys want to know the colors, and here you have it. White balloons stuffed inside of the satin white and pearl white Link-O-Loons. White balloons stuffed inside of the crystal clear Link-O-Loons. Here we're using 11-inch balloon inside of the 12-inch Link-O-Loons and 5-inch balloon inside of the 6-inch Link-O-Loons. Inflate two Link-O-Loons and simply tie them together in a deuce. And then tie the tip of the Link-O-Loons to a next deuce. Then create a string of the balloons in the length that you need. Here I'm using 20 balloons in a string of 6 inches and 10 balloons in a string of 12 inches. You can easily pre-inflate and transport them in bags for a quicker installation. When you will be installing your Link-O-Loon and decide that it is too long, you can always cut off a link. Or you can always add a link if you need it to be longer. Now let's attach them to a ceiling. We have an Armstrong ceiling here, and you have several ways to attach it. Here we'll be using a heavy-duty magnetic hooks to attach our string. We simply tie the tip of the Link-O-Loon and then apply a magnetic hook to the ceiling. You can also use the mountain bases. For that, you can use a red tail cord and tie the red tail cord to a tip of the Link-O-Loon. Now you can simply stick a mountain base to wherever you want to attach your Link-O-Loon. Now we'd add the strings on the ceiling, mixing the sizes of it. ceiling that we wanted. We can make longer string and have it cascade on the wall all the way down the floor. We will also add some pearl drops. For that, we simply use double stock 5-inch balloon and tie it to the end of the Link-O-Loon. Then we will tie the second end of the links to our mountain base and simply stick it to a ceiling. Lastly, we will add our triple stuffed giant pearls. Here we use a 36-inch white balloon and insert it inside of the 36-inch pearl balloon. But that's not it. Now we're inserting that inside of the 36-inch boba balloon. And let's inflate that. Now we are going to use 260 to tie it around the balloon and tie the other end to our magnetic hook and apply it to the ceiling. And just like that, our Link-O-Loon display is ready. Here we used pearlized finish on our balloons, but you can modify the colors to make it fit any theme. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create. So make sure you tag Decor Lab School when you share your creations on social media. Keep on shining, baby boo. And I will see you in the next video.